I'm going to show how to replace the string on a Toro grass trimmer. Now there's a tab or a button right here, and then there's one on this side too, and they need to be pushed at the same time and then pushed up and out. And a replacement spool. You can also buy just the string. And I did a clip that held it. Take that loose, and the string needs to come out right here in this opening. And I don't want to bring out too much because there's actually a sharp blade that trims. Oops. Oh, shoot. Like a jack-in-the-box. There's a blade that cuts the line and keeps it at a certain length when you bounce it off the ground. So that's in there. I'll replace this with the tabs. That clicks back into place. There's a blade down here, and it's sharp, and that keeps the string at probably about 4 inches. And it's ready to go. And most trimmers, to advance line out, you just bounce the trimmer on the ground, and then that releases with the centrifugal while it's running, while it's spinning. The centrifugal force lets out more line. That's pretty simple, and I've used trimmers like this for many years. I actually have one that's 40 years old. It's a Sears brand. This is a Toro I picked up. But be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.